Hey, what's up guys, morning. So just a quick tour here in the workshop and what's happening, no? So we have big builds, yeah, no? So we have 3-door jumbo smoker, 1/4-inch thick yan. And then we also have the 2-door, yeah, no? Same lang sila ng thickness. And then meron tayo dito na tank light smoker, yan. Tank light smoker, standard build natin na reverse flow. And then of course yung mga drum natin, no? Meron din tayo doon on that side na stainless steel grill, no? Tinatapos natin, alagyan na lang natin ng parilya, no? Actually, meron pa tayong mga big builds coming up, no? Ito patapos na to. So as soon as this one finishes, meron na tayo kasunod, no? Yan. O syempre tinitira yan ni Tandoy. Ay, di pala si Tandoy to, si Tony pala to. Yan. Then of course yung ating 2.4 meters na stainless steel grill, no? Yan. This side, meron din tayo. Medyo magulo. Pag ang workshop daw magulo, it's a good sign, no? So thank you Lord. Ayan, meron tayong smoker na stainless steel din. Yan. And then of course yung ginagawang mga stand ni Jack. Yan. Ito kinakabitan na lang na mechanism to para yung sa lift niya. So medyo masigip. Ayan, napuntahan. Ano kailangan mo? Hira. Huwag kang manggulo. Huwag kang manggulo dito. Busy kami, pre. Oh, hiro lang, no? Si RNS, to. Welcome to my world. Ayan. And then, of course, yung mga lineup for delivery natin, no? Ayan. We have Santa Maria Grill, 5 feet, 5-footer. And then yung mga oven natin, ayan. And then other units na nakapila na. Medyo ano po tayo, may lead time po tayo ngayon. Pero we're doing our best to do advanced builds para naman pagpunta nyo rito, meron tayong available for you. Alright? That's it. Thank you very much for watching.
And smoke on.